you look behind me, there's absolutely nothing. This is one of the lookouts, and the cars should be coming up over here behind me on that. The next one coming up. This is the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. Never been, don't know what to expect, and it's going to be fun. It's absolutely beautiful.
Lines are posted.
Tram cars are currently leaving every 20 minutes. The last car down is 9:30 tonight. When the doors open, head of either side, go all the way to the right and down the hallway into the building. And I wish you all a very pleasant soon-to-be afternoon up here on the map. I've heard of you.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Now, who would have guessed that all of this beautiful green would be up here at the top? Granted, I just came down a really steep path with everybody else. It's all paved and people going off that way to do some rock climbing. And there's water over here. Today, the only camera I brought with me is my M50 because it's so small. I had no idea that this was going to be like this, and I can film this and show it to you guys because I had no idea. But I am going to take a landscape shot down low. I'm going to use the screen because I don't do that, and I'm going to see if I can get the reflection of the sky that I'm seeing in this water. It's kind of murky, but it's a neat reflection. Let's see if I can get this. Wow, what an amazing area. I had absolutely no idea. I have I think a 200mm my wife is holding up at the top. I should have brought it down with me. There's some stellar J's here. It's not the greatest lens, but I wasn't expecting anything, and I'm just happy that I got that shot. It looks good in the back of the camera, and then I get to share this with you guys. I'm gonna see if I want to get some views down into the Dead Valley. Which surprises me is because I was thinking that all of this was, I didn't know it was going to be alpine like this. It's beautiful.
I got some pink socks coming now.
Holy crap. I'm filming into the sun, but you can't see it. There's people hiking down there. You can take that path that's on the back side and hike all the way through there. And someplace up in the mountains, there were kids carrying their pads. They were going to go rock climbing out there. Someplace absolutely insane. I had no idea, man. Let me just say, I am not a landscape photographer. I'm a wildlife photographer, and that's where I think my skills are better. How can you take a bad shot up here, though? I mean, really. That tree right there, that was my focal point for the last shot. It's just, or the valley over that way, or the trees. Wow. JonnyPink, man, thank you so much for letting me share with you guys. I really do appreciate it. It's absolutely stunning out here. The tram was awesome. That just coming up was a phenomenal view. Worth every penny. And if you were coming up, I would recommend you come up early in the day and use your time up here. You can easily spend a whole day hiking. Bring a picnic lunch and just have a blast. Again, thank you for letting me share with you guys. Please give it a thumbs up. I had intended to show a couple of views, call it done. Didn't know about the water down there. Didn't know about all this alpine area. I still see people hiking down there. That means you can hike out to some of these edges, look at the whole tram or just the entire valley. All right, man, we'll see you. I'm going to leave you with this last view. Doesn't really matter where you stand now, does it? This waterfall behind me is actually man-made. It's not part of that. It looks really cool. The dramatic difference in temperature between the top where it was just, oh, it was amazing, and down here where it's 100 and it's got to be at least 110. Dramatic difference. It's awesome. Get here early. It's a fantastic day. Thanks a lot again. If you guys have a fantastic day, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you. It is down there's a ways. So, down there a ways. But there's another observation. Look out up here. This is amazing. I'm not showing you even half of what there is to see, and I had absolutely no idea.